everyone, and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a contact lens try-on. I'm excited to be trying them out. It has been a while, and if you have been to my channel before, then you know I love trying on some new colored contacts. So let's get right into it. Trying out the EYEMUA contact lenses. They are a colored contact lens brand. They also have natural colors and as well cleared color contacts. Halloween's coming up, a new season is coming up, and everyone is searching for the perfect contacts. So will this brand be the perfect contact lens company for you? Let's find out. Here's the box that I received. I did open up the box the first time I got the package, so I'm very excited to see how the colored lenses look. So here is the box and the contents that are inside of it. As you can see, they have a little slogan, jelly for your eyes, moi, is what it says. So let's go ahead. It starts off, they did send me a cute little compact mirror, which is branded with their company name, EYEMUA. We'll open this up a little bit in a second. They did send me 4 different eye lens cases. That's what they look like. And in each case, there is an applicator and a tool to use to take out the lenses. So like I said, there's 4. So let's go ahead and pull these out. You can see this cute little bears in here. They added some of these in to make the box look cute. Really adorable. I love when a brand takes their time to personalize their products and their packaging. So yes, ma'am. And then also they have this tool. I have seen people in previous videos using these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these because I'm actually a pro at applying my contacts. So I don't think I'm going to use this, but I have seen this in the past where people use this to open up their eyes to apply their contact lenses, but I might not use this, to be honest. I'm good with my fingers and an applicator. So we got 4 pairs of contacts in here. I'm very excited to try these. And they put a lot of little detail to the packaging just to make it look cute and make it fun. You see here at the bottom they have a how to apply your lenses, and then jelly for your eyes, moi. It's a little QR code to scan if you're interested, and some information about their company and brand. Cute. We have 4 different pairs of lenses. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's very cute. Very cutesy. We have 4 different colors. Now this does not mean that the colors are actually of these shades, but they will be different colors on the inside. First color here, which is the Impression Bloom Black, and there they have a little sneak peek of what the color looks like. I did make sure to choose Halloween type of colors because I like trying on the different Halloween colors that they have to offer. It's fun to do makeup looks and different transitional videos with Halloween contacts, so look forward to that in the future. So here we are. The next color is a hazy glow pink. That's what it looks like on the package here. And we have a crystal ice purple. Packaging. And finally, we have the Flame Kiss Black. I'm very excited to try this one. This one looked really cool on their website. And that's how it looks on the box. So we're excited to try these on, but we do want to give it 12 to 24 hours to soak in a contact lens solution. You never want to apply your contacts straight to your eyes. You want to make sure you soak them so they're soft before you apply them to your eyes, because essentially the liquid that the contacts are in are not really good to just shove in your eye. In the past I did do that, and it causes a lot of redness and irritation. So make sure you follow the directions and soak your lenses before you put them on. And then we have a cute little compact mirror. We'll be using this when we try on the contacts. So here's what the little packaging looks like. It's so cute. Has little cartoon characters. So let's take it off. And like I said, it is branded with their company name, EYEMUA. And then the mirror. You have this tool here that you could use to open up your eyes to apply your contacts. I will not be using this. I I already know how to put my contact lenses in without problem. So it's basically just use it to open up your eye. Well, I mean, this would help, but I don't think I want to use this today. So yeah, it looks like this, super cute, small, pink, girly. And I got 4 different cases. They're not different colors or labeled or anything. So I'm just gonna show you guys one up close, and then the rest you'll see as we go. So here it is. It has the cases for the lenses, which is marked with right and left, L and R, and then it comes with tweezers. These applicators are used to pull out the contacts, and then there's also one with a rigid surface to apply the lenses. So that's what the case looks like. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to soak our lenses. I do have my BioTrue contact lens solution. I will be using this to soak my lens. So the first pair we're gonna put in is the Flame Kiss Black. This is how they look coming out the package, nice and sealed. And here's how the contact lens actually looks before applying it to my eyes. All you have to do is just peel it open, like so. About that much should do. So we're going to use this tweezer tool here to take the lenses out carefully so that we do not get any dust or debris into the lens. So I'm just going to fish it out. These are the Flame Kiss Black. Pop it right in. Alright, so that's the first pair. And now we're just going to go ahead and screw back on the top. Alright, so that is the first pair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of me putting the contacts in, and then we'll be back. Alright you guys, so we got all 4 pairs of contact lenses in the case to soak for about 24 hours. So I'll be back to try them on. I cannot wait to see how each of these look. So I'll be back. And we are ready to get started and putting the contacts on. So let's get started with the first pair, which is the Flame Kiss Black. My eyes before I apply the contacts. So I use this tweezer tool. And I just grab the contacts out, just like that. And then I use the applicator tool, and I put the contact on. And you always want to make sure that the contact has like a bowl shape, if you will. That way, that is how you know it is going to go into your eye correctly. If you flip it the other way, it will not go into your eye properly, and it will cause irritation and redness to your eyes. And then I go ahead, I pull my eye at the bottom down. And I just blink a little bit. Ooh. A little bit of watering is normal. Just take a cloth and just clean it. Here is my natural eye color, and then here is the Flame Kiss Black. This would be perfect for a vampire makeup look. Tell me what you guys think so far. You just adjust. Sometimes you could just blink and it just pops right into place, but I am wearing lashes, so there's like a strip band here. I'm just gonna clean up the water, and that again is from the solution. It's not irritating. It does feel soft on the eye and comfortable to wear. So here are the first pair, the Flame Kiss Black. It's giving off a very vampire, scary movie scene look, perfect for Halloween, and I like them. So this is the first pair. Again, this is the Flame Kiss Black. Now on to the second pair. I'm going to go ahead and speed through me applying the next set of contacts in. So now on to the second pair, which is the Crystal Ice Purple. Now we are on to the third pair, which is a Hazy Glow Pink. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I think these are going to be my favorite pair. Look at it. This is insane. Whoa. Natural eye, contacts in. And please don't mind my lashes. They are lifting a little bit. We'll try to keep it cute. But this Hazy Glow Pink, I think is one of my faves. Snap it up in the comments right now, because you and I both know, wow. And the best part about these is even though it's full colored coverage, I could still see clearly outside of the contacts, which is a plus plus. If you like these ones, you will like the others they have to offer. Like, they have so many different colors, it was hard for me to even choose just 4 pairs. So clock it till you knock it. Go and get yourself a few pairs. All right, now on to the final pair, which is the Impression Bloom Black. Go ahead and try to use this tool here to apply our last contacts. I saved it for last. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and put the contact on the applicator tool first. So just open and just place the contact in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, except for the fact my lash is now officially lifted. Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that? You broke my heart. Alright everybody, so this is the final pair of contacts, which means this concludes our video of trying out the contacts from EYEMUA. So I do have a discount code for anybody who is interested in purchasing the contacts that you saw me try on in this video, or you'd like to try out their contacts from their website and see what else they might have to offer. All you have to do is use the code Kayla to receive a 10% discount from your purchase, from your first order. So they do have a promotion where they are giving 4 pair of contacts with 1 free. So you can also use my code as well to get a 10% discount on that order if you're interested. So yeah, you guys make sure you check out their website. Everything will be linked in the description box if you are interested, or if you want to check them out and see what they're all about. Again, I do have their card here with their QR codes where you could scan from here. If you'd like to pause the video and scan, you can. And yeah, so far so good. Like I said earlier, the contacts were really easy to apply to my eyes. They're comfortable on my eyes. I felt like there was nothing on my eyes. It was soft. And my favorite pair, if you did not guess, was definitely the Hazy Glow Pink, which I'll put them back on one more time before I close out this video. Any other information regarding me and my channel will be below in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you get your 10% discount code with you, and check out the EYEMUA website so you can get 10% off your first purchase. So before we go, make sure you guys hit that like button, share with your bestie, leave a sweet comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Make sure you subscribe because I'll be checking. So I'll see you guys in the next video. But first, the Hazy Glow Pink.